Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the battery indication from here to showing the percent or not in the Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. Yep, so that's it for the operation. Go to settings, then go to the down and search for the notification and status bar. Down, scroll down and there is battery indication, so click on it and there is the three options to choose. The first option is without the percent. I don't feel like it. And there is a two-way to see the percent from the battery. The first option is like you see on the right corner from here. And there is a second option. I think it's the best one from this three, but you will choose for your own preferences. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey!